At the serene forest riverbank, Ramu toils away, his worn clothes and weathered axe narrating tales of hardship. In a moment of despair, Ramu shouts, "That axe was my only way to earn a living." Disaster strikes as the axe slips from Ramu's grasp and plunges into the murky depths of the river, vanishing without a trace. At the forest riverbank, Ramu is overwhelmed with sorrow, his silent tears mingling with the ceaseless flow of the river. In a burst of celestial light, a radiant angel emerges from the river's depths, bearing a gleaming golden axe. With a gentle inquiry, the angel asks, "Is this your axe?" Tears still fresh on his face, Ramu softly replies, "No, that is not mine." Emerging from the river, the angel holds aloft a silver axe, its gleaming surface reflecting an ethereal light. The angel offers the silver axe to Ramu, her voice echoing with celestial calm as she asks, "Is this your axe?" Ramu, with a decisive shake of his head, denies ownership, stating, "No, that one isn't mine either." An angel emerges by the forest riverbank, holding Ramus' old iron axe, offering a glimmer of hope. Ramu exclaims with relief, "Yes, that's my axe." The angel extends the axe towards Ramu, symbolizing a moment of redemption and return. The angel rewards Ramu's honesty with all three axes, a divine smile lighting up the forest riverbank. With a soft voice, the angel declares, "You have been honest. As a reward, I will give you all three axes: the iron, the silver, and the golden." Ramu, overwhelmed with joy and gratitude, thanks the angel profusely, as says that Ramu is overjoyed. Bathed in the golden light of day, Ramu strides into the village square, brandishing three axes that shimmer with newfound fortune. Amidst whispers of amazement, the villagers marvel at Ramus' unexpected windfall, a testament to the virtues of honesty. In a chorus of voices, the villagers proclaim, "Honesty brings unexpected rewards." Moved by Ramu's tale, the villagers vow to weave honesty into the fabric of their lives, a beacon of integrity illuminating their path forward.